All right, how's it going? So look, today we're gonna make this Chinese fish with lemon and ginger. It's really, really quite simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, so you can see I've got some fish here. I've got a frozen dory fish, or a pollock it's known as, but any sort of white fish like that. It's quite a light one. So it was frozen, let it defrost. I patted it dry because it really retains a lot of water and liquid, and cut it into kind of, fairly chunky bits. I've got a teaspoon each of salt, pepper and ginger powder. I've got here 2 teaspoons fish sauce. Here I've got 1 tablespoon light soy, and in there I've got 2 tablespoons of a corn flour. Okay, so I've got that fish into a larger mixing bowl. Let's start off by dropping in 1 teaspoon ginger powder, salt and pepper. The soy, like a tablespoon of a light soy. Fish sauce, 2 teaspoons. Be really careful with fish sauce, it's super salty. Fantastic stuff, but just be careful with it. And then some cornstarch or corn flour. You could use potato starch or potato flour if you want. You can see I've got a glove on. We're gonna go in, we're gonna give this a nice little mix. So the heat is on high. We've got some oil in there, like a centimeter. You can shallow fry this or deep fry it at this stage. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna batch cook this, by the way, because there's not enough space in that pan, and we've got quite a lot here. So we're gonna be dropping this in. And this fish cooks very quickly, so it's going to be literally 2 to 3 minutes aside max. Then it's going to come out, it's going to go onto some paper towel, and then we can move on. But yeah, I'm probably going to do this in 2 lots. So what I've done is I've reduced down that oil. This is the same oil we cook the fish in because it's got some lovely flavors there. So yeah, I've reduced that down by maybe 60% or so. The heat is on high again. We've got 1 cup of onion, in that goes. And you can see I've got some ginger here, nice, a lot there. I mean, 2 tablespoons of ginger, that's the big flavor in this one, I think. To that we're gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna add double the amount of black pepper. High heat, moving it all the time. See you in 3 minutes. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Fabulous stuff. You could have added garlic to this if you wanted as well, instead of just the ginger. Well, we're now gonna add a slurry. So I've got a tablespoon of cornstarch there with about 2 cups of water. And you can kind of eyeball it and see how it goes, if it thickens too much or not. As you can see, this is way too thick. So we're going to add more water. Let me measure that out actually. So we're going to put another 2 cups of water and work that in with the heat on. You can get it as thick or as thin as you like, that's up to you. Here I've got some lemon juice. I've got like 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just work that in and get the thickness that you like. That's good for me. I like it quite thick like that. We're then going to grab our fish and we're going to add that back in. Drop all our fish in. And we're going to go for 3 minutes, high heat, stirring all the time. Okay, just turn the heat off. Job done, beautiful. Okay, and there you go, just dress that with a few slices of lemon or lime, a little bit of green onion. Beautiful, nice and simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, There's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.